This is a tutorial on how to complete a SAP appeal, also known as a Satisfactory Academic Progress Appeal. Students receiving financial aid must maintain satisfactory academic progress towards their degree in order to remain academically eligible to receive financial aid. Detailed information can be found on the Office of Student Financial Aid's website at financialaid.sfsu.edu under Maintaining Eligibility. Students who are not meeting one or more of the SAP standards for financial aid will be notified via email by the Office of Student Financial Aid and may submit an appeal one time only. The SAP appeal form can be found on the Office of Student Financial Aid's website at the bottom of the Maintaining Eligibility section. Simply click on the Undergraduate Student Appeals form to load the document. This is a fillable PDF form and must be typed where possible. In the top section, you will fill in your personal information. For Section 1, Type of Appeal, fill in the first semester you attended SF State and select the appropriate appeal category. If you have freshman, sophomore, or junior class standing, select the PACE pass rate category. Before completing page 2, you'll want to pull up your Degree Progress Report, DPR, in your Student Center. Your Degree Progress Report is an important tool that evaluates where you stand with all of your graduation requirements, including general education, university-wide, and major requirements. You can access your DPR through your Student Center under the Other Academic drop-down menu. If you were unsure of the items on the first page, such as whether to write a Bachelor Degree of Science abbreviated to BS or Bachelor Degree of Arts, BA, you can find it under the Current Academic Objective section of your DPR. You can also view your major as well as your first semester at SF State. You will use the General Education section of your DPR to complete page 2 of the SAP appeal, which is where you will list out any general education requirements that you still need to complete. A green check mark on your DPR means the requirement is complete. A yellow diamond indicates the requirement is in progress, and a red box means that the requirement is still needed. On page 2 of your SAP appeal, be sure to fill in your name and SF State ID number in the top right-hand corner. Check the box that applies to you. Most likely, you'll be checking off the second box, indicating that you still have non-major requirements to complete. And fill in your GPA, which can be found under the GPA section of your DPR. Below, you'll use your DPR and list out each general education requirement you have left to complete, which is indicated by a red box, the number of units the class will be, and the semester you plan on completing the requirement. For example, Alligator has a red box next to their A3 critical thinking requirement. On the SAP appeal form, Allie will write A3 critical thinking. Under units, Allie will write 3, and Allie plans to take an A3 critical thinking course in fall 2022. If you need assistance with planning when to take your remaining coursework, you can use your Degree Planner. Degree Planner is a planning tool to assist in mapping out courses towards degree completion and to provide students with the best recommended sequence of courses. You have access to your Degree Planner through your Student Center. Once you fill in all your needed general education requirements, you can move on to page 3 of the SAP appeal. Page 3 is the same as page 2, but instead of general education requirements, you will be filling in needed major requirements. If your major is currently undeclared, you do not need to complete page 3 and can move on to page 4. For those declared in a major, you can scroll down to the major section of your DPR and follow the same process as you did for your general education requirements. Page 4 is where you will explain why you have not been able to maintain satisfactory academic progress towards your degree. You can use the lines provided or attach a separate type sheet. Indicate the semester you plan on graduating, and don't forget to input your electronic signature. You can submit your SAP appeal and any other supporting documentation to the Office of Student Financial Aid through the DocuSign portal. You can find instructions on how to submit your SAP appeal online on Office of Student Financial Aid's website at financialaid.sfsu.edu under Submit Documents Online and scroll down to the section labeled Submitting Documents through the DocuSign portal. You will be notified by automatic email notification of the appeal decision in approximately 2 to 3 weeks from the date of submission.